Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope that everyone is doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also well. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite hobby. My favorite hobby is traveling. I like to travel in my free time and during holiday. Traveling helps me gain knowledge and experience. And my favorite place is hills and tea gardens. When I visit there, I feel relaxed and energetic. My last journey was to Lalbagh Fort. It is very beautiful place and historical architecture, and it is an important part of our culture and heritage. My next journey will be to Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is the pride of Bangladesh and it is the longest sea beach in the world. It's about 120 kilometer long, natural beauty and wonder. I like to traveling because traveling helps me gain knowledge and experience. Traveling removes my tiredness and stress. That's why I think traveling is very important in our life because traveling helps gain real life knowledge and experience, and that's why my favorite hobby is traveling. Thank you everyone for listening to me patiently. Allah Hafiz.